Hey everybody, this is Bryan Tackett, your insurance professional, coming back to you live from Tackett Agency headquarters. The corona is over. Woo! No, it's not, but we got our doors unlocked, accepting customers back into our office. Masks are voluntary. If you want to wear a mask, you can wear one. If you want us to put one on, we'll put one on. But you know, I think we need to get back to living and get back to life. And so let me ask you a very important question. How much do you pay for your insurance premiums? Home or auto, either one. Do you know right off the top of your head how much you pay? Well, I think that's important to know. Value and cost are two different things. It may cost you very little for your insurance, but your value may be very little. And of course, most of us will never find out because I've been doing this 23 years. I've got a pretty large percentage of my customers that's never filed a claim. Well, they'll never know if their insurance is any good. You hadn't had to use it. And that's the rub on insurance, right? You may never use it. You pay premiums for 30, 40 years, you never use it once. Was that a waste of your money? So how do you look at it? So what are you paying? And then has your agent, because most of us, let's just face it, insurance, I don't care how you slice the pie up, insurance is expensive. I mean, it's getting insane these days. But if happens, you're going to be glad you had it. And that was true for me just 22 years ago with my 3-year-old, and my wife was pregnant with my son, and I flipped my car about 8 times over into a field here in West Texas. I thought we were all going to die. I was thankful for my insurance that day. And so if you've not sat down with your insurance agent in the last 12 months, you need to call me, because I need to review your limits of coverage, what limits you have, what types of coverage you have. Do you have comp and collision? Do you have roadside service, car rental reimbursement, death and indemnity? What is it? What parts of coverage do you have? And then what is the value of what you're paying for? Right? So per hundred of dollars you're paying in premium, what's the value? Because you might be spending $1, but you're only getting 25 cents of value. I don't know, but I think it's important to find that out. Because if you're paying $100 a month, but you're getting $200 in value, which is cheaper, the dollar for a 25-cent value? Give me a call. My information is below. Like it, comment, please. I love comments. Share your thoughts with me. I appreciate it. Helps me make better videos. And then subscribe. All right. Hey, listen. Have a super day on purpose, and be safe out there.